time and effort and energy they put into it. That's all I'm saying. Now, anybody wishing to make any public comment on general items? Mrs. Gretsvik?
Yes. Okay. Mayor was correct. I'm also very grateful how they took care of the snow. Blawnox did a much better job than many other towns. I do have a letter that I wrote for council today. My name is Melina Brzovic, 221 H Street, Blawnox. And I'd like to thank everyone for the opportunity to address council today on 25th of February 2010. Dear Mr. Congress and President of the Council and all council members, including our Mayor Tom Smith, I'd like to thank everybody for letting me record without a 24-hour notice prior to recording. And I would sincerely hope that by the end of today's meeting, the council would consider repealing the Blawnox Resolution 2010-01 that was passed on January 28. The Resolution 2010-01 is not a law. It violates the state and federal constitutions, and I perceive to be your violation of the Pennsylvania Sunshine Law on numerous accounts. Ex post facto laws are expressly forbidden by the United States Constitution and the Pennsylvania Constitution, Article 1, Section 17. I'm kindly requesting copies of the oath of office of all Blawnox Borough public servants appointed or elected, and written copies such as this one that I'm holding of my request is provided to you today. So I ask kindly for this to be included in the minutes. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks for serving. And I yield my balance of my time to the next speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Does anybody else wish to comment on items of general matters with the borough?
But this, yes, I do, Laura Wright. I am the owner of 282 Freeport Road. Dollhouse Manager is a business. I would like to express my concern about the commitment that the borough is making for the building that you're contemplating, largely because you propose that it's going to cost over $2 million. It's my understanding that there are only about 730 households that actually pay into our property taxes here in Blawnox, and I'm very concerned that such a burden on them, if you're not able to meet the cost of this, and you haven't explained how you're going to meet the cost of covering the building cost, would be a substantial burden for the community and may cost people their homes. And as you all know, if you can't pay your property taxes, you stand in danger of having your home sold to recoup the taxes. And I think that's a very serious kind of consequence for residents here. So I would just urge you to please at least